Oh, this is the temple we have reached.
No, no. Habibi, come to Isha.
Muppatti 1, Muppatti 2, Muppatti. Hello everyone and a very good morning. This is 26th December, 7 a.m. Speaking live from मेरे दोस्त की balcony. And this is a quick look at the morning in Coimbatore. The vibe is good, so I'll go for a quick ride. Annapurna restaurant. Mukesh and I has brought us here today. This is the inside, always packed, and we are waiting for our turn to vada dip, idli dip, and puri.
If you say dip here, no, they'll get offended. Like sambar vada, sambar idli. That's it.
And we have some very authentic coconut chutney, which is white in color. In Bangalore, generally we get it as green.
So I'll tell you something. So here, the sambar vada and sambar idli is very famous. So people do come here, have liter kanak of sambar.
Oh.
Like literally, if I'm actually eating this, no, this sambar will not be enough for me. I'll get again.
Oh.
So this sambar is very famous in the country.
Understood. So they charge extra for the sambar? No. Guys, we are ready for another adventure. This is the entry. Most amazing thing I learned about this place was that this is an entire villa. There are 2 rooms on the ground floor, and as you can see, this is destroyed by bachelors. But and there is 2 balconies and 1 room on the first floor. And the most wonderful thing about this place is that all of this place has been rented for just 23k. I was wondering, for 23k we don't even get a 1 BHK in Bangalore. And here, this entire villa has been rented for just 23k, as you can see. And 5-6 boys are living here. And we are on our way towards a sacred and a secret temple of Lord Kartikeyan. And after that we will go to Isha Foundation in the evening to see that light show. And this is me, Paras, signing off, and this is Mukesh, aka the local Gunda. So the 800 steps climb starts. I know Mukesh doesn't want to do this, but but we can't help. Oh, this is the temple we have reached.
No.
There are 2 more temples. It's like a pit stop, basically. Yeah, bro, it is.
How many stairs we have done?
Come, Ganesh.
So guys, we have completed 200 stairs right now, and Mukesh asked us to stop. That's why we have stopped. It's not like we are lost of our breath.
Very good upstairs where you will get a good view.
So we entered through the special entrance. It's 50 rupees per person. The vibe is all set. Look at the rush.
Meet my girlfriend. My hot and spicy girlfriend.
Now say something.
Habibi, come to Isha. Allah bol kunjan Allah bol.
Video or Paris.
You explain, na? I don't know
Okay.
shit.
Well, just
Shit.
shoot the videos.
This guy will do it.
around. So what?
So this is the Western Ghats. It's just continuation from whatever that you mountain that you see from Munnar and everything.
Speak
It
louder.
starts from there. It just goes till like somewhere around Karnataka. It goes like wherever the Western Ghat goes, it goes from there. It goes till Pune.
Pune.
So yeah, so this that thing. So you see on the back side that is Velingiri. So that mountain is something people go for treks in a particular month. There is a temple on the top of this hill.
Okay.
So people go there. It's in hard trekking where you have to climb. 7
people? But you can cover this.
7 Cities, the abilities to the sacred science yoga in all its forms, to human religions across the planet, which can possible civilization.
Like Purim, bro.
So formulating for coming to that discussion again.
Bro, don't
So,
talk to this guy, bro. He can put him into trouble.
I know only till 1 to 33.
Okay.
And that too in 1 to 3, 11, 12, 13 and 30, 31, 32, 33 only.
Okay.
So, you
Art.
tell me. Evlu?
Art.
Tomato
Art.
evlu? Evlu?
Evlo.
Evlo?
Tomato evlo. So தக்காளி எவ்வளோ?
Takkali evlo?
தக்காளி 30 ரூபா.
Muppadar what?
30 ரூபா.
Mutta ruba. Ruba I don't know.
முத்தம் இல்ல bro. 30 ரூபா.
Muppadar ruba I don't know.
means kiss.
What? Kiss. Mutta. Mutto.
முத்தம் is kiss.
Okay, Muppado, Roba I don't know. Roba I don't know.
Ruba is rupee.
Rupee, acha.
30 is
Muppado is
Ruba is
30 rupee kg.
हाँ.
अभी मुझे ऐसे बोलना है कि ये ज्यादा है.
1 किलो 30 ரூபா.
अभी मेरे को इसको बोलना है इसको ज्यादा है, थोड़ा कम कर तो क्या बोलूं? The rate is
So, like, கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. Rate கம்மி பண்ணுங்க.
இருக்கு கம்மியா சொல்லுங்க.
Jasti means ज़्यादा.
ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு.
जास्ती.
It is
ज़्यादा.
बोलना कैसे है? रेट जास्ती.
हाँ.
रेट जास्ती.
Jasti.
रेट जास्ती है ना? कम पड़ेगा.
கம்மி பண்ணுங்க.
कमी
டேய்
पड़ेगा.
இது ஓபன் பண்றா.
रेट जास्ती है ना?
கையில குஸ்தமா?
ஓபன் பண்றா டேய். இன்னொரு ட்ரா.
रेट जास्ती है ना? रेट कम
முடியாது
पड़ेगा.
அந்த packet.
बिग फैन रजनीकांत.
முடியாதுப்பா முடியாது.
எனக்கு குஸ்தா.
This is
आज हम
this
बना रहे हो.
This video is for my future self, where I have tried learning Tamil and it comes out to be pretty, decent language. Where I have learned it from very decent friends of mine, and I will record it for myself so that I don't forget in future. I'll start the counting. So 1 is one, 2 is rend, 3 is moon, then 4 is wait, you don't speak. Naal, 5 is anje, and then 6 is R. So I've learned till 1 to 6, and I have learned till 40s.
ஐயோ சாரிடா.
हम आ चुके हैं the famous SRKB. यहाँ पर we have been told that parota is very good. Let's see कि हमको क्या खाने को बढ़िया मिलता है यहाँ पे.
Cracking.